Okay, traders, I entered this based on the 1 hour chart giving me this. So we had a red dot and we have the red signal in here as well. It's probably a little bit early, given that I prefer to see these lines starting to roll over. In any case, what we're looking for in this situation when we have the signals is the lower time frame, 15-minute. Take out this because we're counter trend trading. We want to know what it's traded into. This is important, so we can see that traded into this yellow line. That's a previous daily high. It's pushed through it, so it's hit the liquidity above this level, and we have this divergence. Everything's stacking up now. The 1 hour time frame gave us this signal along with this one, but so does the 15. So this is quite a good signal. Now I'm a little bit early with my entry. That's the only thing. But what we really need to do is set the trend bars alert here. Once per bar close. Alright, and that will give us a red square. Right, see this green square? That's the alert from this indicator. So we want to see a red candle. So these candles will shift from green to red. In any case, I went in off the lower time frame. Just saw it starting to break structure on the 2-minute right here. Actually, my entry point was there. Okay, so we had the reach into liquidity and this change of character here. Right, and I'm short on this time frame. And we also have the signals on the 2-minute. So that's a bonus. Now what you can do with this is pull your stop loss. Oh, what have I done? I don't have a stop loss. You can pull a stop loss to break even very quickly. And that's probably a little bit tight, but stop above the high here. And once it gains a bit of traction, just pull your stop loss down so that this is risk-free. And what we're hoping for is this to continue down. That's probably a little bit early to pull the stop loss in. Tight stop. 15-minute. I mean, that stop's probably a little bit too tight. In any case, I'm looking for, well, a move down into these levels here. We've got this orange line down in here. That's a previous weekly, so that'd be a nice outcome. Now, given that this current stop loss is minimal, I mean, I could risk, say, $10. Let's do that. Let's give it a little bit of room to breathe. Not much, because I don't really want this to trade above, given that it's already run the level above here. So, what I'm wanting to see now is continuation. Have a look at it on the 5M. Yeah, I mean, we've got this red alert that's kicked in right now, right there. That's probably the better signal to enter on. I mean, look, here's the thing. If you want to, you could pull your stop loss to break even here. And if it pulls back and takes it out, then we just wait for another signal to enter. All right, so there's no harm in doing that. So let's do that. So this is completely risk-free now. And then, as I mentioned, I mean, if it does pull back and hit that, well, we just wait for another opportunity to short it. And so that's how you can manage these trades. Right? So it's a counter trend trade. Look how overextended this is. Right? We're expecting this to trade back down into these levels here to rebalance. Okay, we've got an imbalance there. And I mean, let's see how we go. So that's a Kiwi dollar counter trend trade. This is actually a good trade to take as we approach the London Open, or any of the market open, the US Open, London Open, because you're going to see the volatility. And here's the thing with the London Open, by the way. Just show you this. We get London Open at 3 a.m. New York time right there. That's the London Open. Here's the thing. More often than not, you're going to see price trade into the London Open. Okay, so if this is bullish, what I would like to see into the London Open is something like this. Okay, it trades down into the London Open, then it reverses and continues on. Right, so that's what I'm hoping to see, given we have this double top, a little bit of a run above, and the fact that it's actually, traded into this previous daily high. And the other thing you can do right on the London Open or the New York Open is look for this rotation with the signals, because the market generally rotates around this time of day, one way or the other. So I might watch this as we trade into the London Open tonight and see if we have any opportunities. Anyway, guys, that's a bit of a wrap on this one. This is the counter trend strategy. Let's actually, before I wrap it up, let's just run through and have a look and see what some of these look like. I'm just going to go back out and we're going to open up this. Let's just go to the Aussie Swiss. I'll open up this 3 chart layout and I'll show you, what we're doing with this daily, 4 hour, 1 hour counter trend. And we're looking for 2 things. One, we want to see this signal here, but more importantly, it has to have a dot on this indicator above here, the same color. And given that it doesn't, well, we're going to leave that one alone. Aussie yen, Aussie Kiwi. We need both. Actually, this is gearing up. Look at this. So this is what we're looking for, exactly what we're looking for. I'm a little bit late to the party, I think. But we have the dot, we have the signal, we've got it on here. But this actually occurred back in here, and I missed this opportunity. Let's mark it up right at the dot. I've actually set alerts for the dot, not this thing here. So all the alerts going off in the alerts log are going to give me the dot. So I come in on the 4 hour or the 1 hour. This is the 4. When the dot alert goes off, and if I see the signal under the alert on this indicator as well, then we've got a situation. Yeah, I mean, you can see that was a really nice trade. Look at it. So, the thing we're looking for is on the 15M to get involved. And we want to see the break of structure. So that was our point of interest. And we want to get short as this starts to rotate. And I mean, let's just say we caught this. Yes, we don't know what's coming. Let's just say we saw that. We thought, okay, we better get short. Stop above, guys. Look, this daily level here. Keep it tight, but yeah, stop above that level. Go for 2R, or look for these levels down here for a target. So there's a target. That's a 2.5R. Keep an eye on what's left. What we have over here. That, well, the low there would be where I would probably want to set my target. So it'd be something like that, 2.25R. Okay, counter trend. I'll be doing a lot of videos on this as we move forward. Okay, with that, have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.